everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today I decided to share with you all a Jello pie. This is going to be a strawberry Jello pie that I decided to share with y'all. This is so simple. Our only ingredients are strawberry Jello and Cool Whip, some water, and also a graham cracker pie crust. It's so simple, and we're going to add the strawberries for our garnish. Let's get to making our strawberry Jello pie. Here I'm adding my 3 ounces of Jello. Here I'm adding 2/3 cup of boiling water. You mix this for 2 minutes. Y'all be very careful with this step because the water is very hot. Now I'm adding 1 cup of ice cold water. Y'all can tell it's been chilled in the freezer. We're going to mix this until it's slightly thickened. Here I can tell that it has thickened up just a little bit. You'll be able to tell it also by the way your whisk feels. It done thicken up some. Now I'm adding 2 cups of whipped topping. See the way I do mine, y'all? I stir it up after I put it in my, let me show y'all. After I put it in my cup, I stir it up like this to make it not so thick, okay? Now we're gonna mix this together. Make sure you whisk this filling well. I'm gonna refrigerate this for 30 minutes and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, my filling have been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna pour it. This is how it looks. I'm going to pour it over into my, let me turn off my timer. Okay, as y'all can see, it has started thickening. As y'all can see. Okay, let this pie stay in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. If you're not ready to eat it just yet, this is a simple recipe you can make for the next day, okay? So I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna be back with the final results. Okay, y'all, I'm here with the final results. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me take this off. Okay, let's cut it. There's no perfect way of cutting this pie. Okay, this size. Okay, y'all, here it is, y'all. Put it on my plate. Y'all see how good that looks? This pie is a request from Tina So Blessed. Miss Tina, I finally got to your pie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna put a dollop of Cool Whip on it. And a strawberry. I hope y'all enjoy this strawberry Jello pie. I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Y'all, I have a taste tester. I have LaTanya here. Okay, LaTanya, how do you like the pie?
It's good. Miss Tina So Blessed. I hope you enjoy the pie. It's really good. I got the remainder of that was on the plate, but it's really good.
Okay, LaTanya say it's really good, y'all. So y'all try it. Y'all can try it for the 4th of July or whenever. Or for any holidays. Okay, like I always say, y'all have a blessed day and
bye-bye for now.
Okay.